Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to find your watch later list on YouTube app. If you had some videos to watch later on the YouTube application, and now it's time for you to access these videos, then you don't know how to actually go about it, then there is a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to find your watch later list on YouTube mobile application, all you simply need to do is go ahead and open the YouTube application. On the app, locate and click on the U button at the bottom right. Then scroll down the history page. You have your page like this, and if this is what you have, just hit the button once. Now locate and click on playlist. Under playlist, you should see your watch later are set to private, so click on the watch later list and you have access to them like this, and then you're good. So that's exactly how to find your watch later list on YouTube mobile application. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.